This is a very quick video. I'm just going to show you the update of the Woksy site that we did a few months back. It's now fully updated. It's obviously got an overview screen. I was going to turn it into a SaaS product, but I'm just going to have it available for the school community, or maybe on a Gumroad where you can buy it. There is some channel SaaSes out there that are charging like £29 a month just to use this for like 100 credits. This has got unlimited. It does kids books, non-fiction, colouring books, no quote colouring pages, I don't know what that is, word search, trivia, sudoku, and you can upload your own books should you have it. So you just go upload, gives you all the sizes that you need to do. Let's come out of that. It does book covers and the image tools, image editors, text to colours, image colours. It's got loads in there. But what I did do, I thought to myself, it's quite complex to this, so I put a help. You've got settings for your API keys. So it takes Gemini API. You can put OpenAI DALL-E in there if you want. Put your API keys in there. Obviously, it'll charge you on your whatever service you've got for Gemini. You get so many free. And then if you've got a pro account or an ultra account, you'll get loads more. And you can update these to whatever model you need. Just ask Claude. And then we've got a help guide. And this basically tells you how to do everything. So it's how to get started, tells you what to do. Adding your API key tells you what to do. What makes the images tells you there. Book types. KDP rules. Covers. Troubleshooting. Now the reason I back built this again is because when I first built this, it did all the colouring books and all that greatly, but sometimes it missed the template margins for certain book sizes. So I had got Claude recently with the new Fable 5 update to rework it all. So now it uploads in every size, does the PDF, does everything else, and all you have to do then is upload it to KDP, which makes the process so much easier. In the last how many days, I don't know, 4 days, I think I've uploaded 10-12 books to KDP, which, alright, they hadn't sold, but to be fair, they've only just gone live. It takes 72 hours for each book to go live, but I'm showing you how easy it is. So if you want to get in the KDP market and you want this app, join the school community. You'll get it in a download file. Let me just go to school. You get it in a download link. You then just get the link, open the zip file, give it to Claude, give it to ChatGPT, to Codex or Anti-Gravity, and it'll load it up for you. It'll just talk you through it and do it, and then you just have to put your API keys in, and away you go and enjoy your KDP life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.